up this cash. I hopped out my feelings and I hopped in my bag. Hopped in the farm, bitch, you hopped in the cab. Still living with your mama, you ain't hopped off your ass, hey. Hey, I'm a real bitch, I can't fake shit. You a fucking pussy, you don't shake shit.
Hamdulillah, check in with me and do your job. Berg is the name, Ben Baller did the chain, Tono for the watch, Prezi plain Jane, Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior, Hermes.
I'ma jump in it like this. I don't party with the kids. I get lit and I sit at the crib. You my baby, no beer.
Yeah, I remember I brought some stuff from Aliexpress and this water's ice cold. My lips looking dry. So today I'm just basically going to do a face tutorial without those makeup products. I know I recently did a Dollar Tree one as well. I'll put the link to that down in the description box below, so go ahead and check that out. But some of my brushes I didn't even open because they're just like a repeat of these other brushes. But I already cleaned my brushes, now I have them sitting in water. So hopefully that doesn't make a difference in how it blends my makeup or anything. Hopefully. I'm not sure, but hopefully. So of course, as always, we're going to start with eyebrow. Well, my face is mad dry, so I'm fresh out the shower. I think y'all can see all that ashiness going on here. So we're gonna start off with my Nivea cream. I didn't buy any cream from Aliexpress, and I don't think I'll buy any lotion or anything like that to put on my face, even though I'm kind of gonna put their foundation on, but yeah, hopefully it's not as bad. So I'm gonna go get my Nivea cream and hydrate the skin real quick. Need that much. A little bit goes a long way, so I want to make sure I get every part of my skin there because I'm not sure what this foundation about to do anyway. So let's go. So watch my moisturize. Alright. Alright, I think we're ready to go. My hair is like kind of getting in the way, sus. I'm gonna brush it up and kind of like shape it a little bit. You know, I'm not an eyebrow expert or anything, but I know how to like really draw my eyebrows on the way that I want it to look. Sometimes like I'll be in a camera and I'll look at it and it'll look like really thick, and then like when I look in my mirror, it looks regular size. So I don't know, I think that's what. Let me know if that's ever happening. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna use this stencil so we can see if it's actually gonna give me the precise eyebrow that I'm looking for. We're gonna use that one, give ourselves a bit of an arch. I did get the eyebrow powder. I said I wanted to try it to see if it's gonna have my eyebrow looking better than using the actual pencil, because a pencil is sometimes painful for me. Like I said, I'm prone to getting like bumps in my eyebrows. I don't know why, but so that's why the pencil is like always like going over the bumps in my eyebrows. So open. All right, here it goes. So I think I'm gonna get like this dark brown shade over here, and I'm gonna put that on my eyebrow, you know, over the stencil. But I don't think I'm gonna use the brush that it came with. It's pretty soft. Should we use it? I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Okay, my eyebrows are pretty almost the shape of this, but not really. So we're gonna but I'm not sure if you can see that, but I'm not sure if it's the eyebrow stencil or if it's the brush, but the color of the eyebrow powder is going in, but it's not shaped right, if that makes sense. And I think it's the stencil. So what we're gonna do instead is we're gonna use where's the eyebrow brush? This one is a good one. I think this one's a good thing. I'm gonna use this brush instead. None of them got numbers or anything, so I'm just gonna show you guys. I'm gonna use this brush and I'm gonna get the same color, and I'm gonna try to just do it myself with the brush without the stencil. I don't know, I feel like the eyebrow powder did a very good job, and it looks like so much more natural than using an actual eyeliner or like eyebrow, what, my god, than using an actual eyeliner or eyebrow pencil. So I'll give this, the eyebrow shadow, I'm gonna score them from 1 to 10. I'll give it between a 7.5 to an 8, and the only reason being is that this case is like a freaking hassle to open. Like I think y'all seen that. Like you know, then it'll be much better. But I don't know. Let's see how we have to see it. Maybe it's like more purchase. Well, I want it. Let's see. Okay. Is everything else here? On the photos? Is there? I'm just everything is. I'm just right now. So this is good. Too big. And for this stencil, that stencil like I'm gonna use this one. I need to change the items like these like that. Anyway, so we're gonna put two. We're two. Because you have to change this. I don't appreciate. You have to like it, but for me, I really like big arch. So arch stencils too big for so I change the weight. So I have to like pretty obvious. So I need to go there first enough, but not me. So while I'm doing this, let me tell you guys, right? So Makai is one, and we started potty training, right? So ever since we started potty training, he does this thing where like he'll just take off his diaper and just run around the house butt naked. My friend was trying to, well, not my friend, but you know, an associate of mine was telling me, hey, guys, maybe that takes away of, you know, his diaper's full if he needs to use the bathroom. Which, you know, with me, it's fine. Okay, if you need to use the bathroom, you know, go ahead, though. Take off your diaper and go for your potty. But no, he's been using the bathroom on the floor. So I'm just like, hey, this is his way of saying he needs to use the bathroom. He needs to go to the bathroom. So we have like two choices. We can either just tell him no, don't take off your diaper, and it'll elongate like the process of him being potty trained. Because then it'll be like him removing his diaper. Well, you know, basically is wrong. So he won't try to like remove it to the bathroom, but just because he'll feel like his mommy and daddy said no. Or we can just let him be free and pee and poop all over the place, and you know, hopefully he learns quick enough that hey, he needs to go to the potty. Which is gonna be pretty hard. Like if we had tile, I wouldn't like have like a big thing against it. But consider the fact that our new place has carpet. Yeah, no, it's gonna be a little bit harder. So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys think I should just let him be free nilly, or just, you know, let him know like no, don't do this? And don't get me wrong, we do tell him no, and then take him to the potty and have him sit like here, pee pee here, you know, poo poo here, like and show him like where he's supposed to actually be doing it. And he actually does get on there and like he'll pee in there, he'll poop in there, and the whole 9 yards. But there's times where he's just like probably in like his room or you know his little play area. I feel like these are good enough. When he's in his room or his little play area, and he just takes it off, and like when we come to like check on him and stuff, he's butt naked. So like he's really just like free rolling. So we're just like, do we let him continue? Do we tell him to stop? What do we do? So I don't know. Let me know what you guys think we should do. We're gonna still continue like go ahead and film my nose while we're here. We're still gonna go ahead and continue to like put him on the potty, and like you know so he can like completely know that you know potty is good, you know. So we continue the potty training process, which is really good because for his age, like you know there's a lot of times where I feel like oh my god like he's learning, and then there's times where like he goes and he like uses the whole bathroom on his diapers or like you back at square one. But he's doing great for his age, guys. Like really good. Like he understands the concept of using it. He'll flush the toilet when he's done. So I think we're doing a pretty decent job. I think I concealed my nose too early. I think I'm supposed to use foundation then conceal. But oh wow, this foundation's going on top of me, doesn't conceal again. So yeah. So I think he's doing a pretty decent job. Okay guys, for those of you guys, this is my Wet n Wild brush. For those people that like beauty gurus that I watch that like always want these like soft ass brushes, like no, I think I prefer a hard brush because like when you try to blend, it's like so soft that the brush is just like phew, like all over the place. Like it's not actually sticking to the area that you're trying to work on, and that bothers me so much because it's like I feel like I have no control. So I think I might investing in like, see what I gotta do here, hard brushes instead of getting soft brushes. Yeah. Okay. Oh my god, I'm gonna look so crazy. This foundation literally looks pink, guys. Let me know what it looks like to you guys. The sun is like beaming, so that's why every time I get closer I look like that, and I'm like using like regular lighting instead of using my ring light. So but this foundation looks peach. And it says concealer, but then here it says foundation. I don't know. It probably is concealer. That's why I'm looking all ashy right now. But we're gonna keep going because that's what the Lord wants. So, you know, we're gonna keep going. This foundation, absolutely no coverage. I look white. I look ashy. I can like kind of still see my glasses marks. You guys probably can't see it because of the lighting and the way it all looks. Probably looks like perfect, but it's not. So yeah, I don't know. This foundation is it doesn't look that bad with my chest though. Like it blends in like pretty well, but I'm not getting the coverage that I would like. Yeah, no, it's gonna get a 5 because it's like, it isn't great, but it's like okay for like somebody, let's say if you have like clear skin like me. I don't have pimples too much or anything like that, but I do have like a lot of heat bumps and like little like moles, which I love on my skin. So for someone who would need like a lot of coverage, this foundation is not for you, because even if you would want to get a lot of coverage, you'd have to put like maybe 3-4 coats to get that coverage that you need, which I'm not gonna put 3-4 coats on my face because I'm already looking like Casper. So we're gonna leave my face like this. So before you guys go and try to judge my whole eyeliner or whatever, remember I am not the best beauty girl. So the eyeliner pencil, the MAC eyeliner pencil is great, but my eyeliner skills suck. So that's why they're looking like this with these crazy ass wings. I've always wanted to have lashes, but like my lashes were non-existent because I decided to be a retard when I was younger and I cut them like people do with their eyebrows, but I decided to do that with my lashes. So my lashes are like really growing, guys. Like it's getting longer and longer and longer, and I really like it because but my eyelashes do look good. So yeah, this is gonna get a 6.5 because my lashes do look great. It's just it's so liquidy that it's so messy and it made all my eyelids dirty. Like now I didn't even use this brush. I guess we're gonna use it now. So I'm gonna bake, but the baking powder I'm using is my LA Colors. I didn't get a baking powder from Aliexpress, and I got this LA Colors one from Family Dollar, if you were wondering. I feel like this video is so short and bad because I didn't get that much products from Aliexpress. So I just realized after I put on my mascara that I actually did buy lashes, and I'm debating whether or not I should put them on. But let's get rid of this bake because we don't want to bake for too long. It's just like a light bake. Ah, sun. Yep, it's just supposed to be a light bake. Yeah, and I don't know what else to do. The last thing that we have is the lip color. This is what my face is looking like. The lighting is acting retarded because the sun is moving while I'm recording, but this is what my face looked like. The lip color is not that bad, but it was brighter and I had to like tone it down with a little bit, and I toned it down with my brown eyebrow pencil. But this is the finished look, and this is what I'm looking like. Y'all see them lashes? Hold on. You see what I mean by it makes your eyelids dirty? My other mascara doesn't do that to my eyelids. So, but it did give me like the volume that I'm looking for in my eyelashes, because like I have like little to none. Tell me what you guys think. Foundation, concealer. Y'all know I don't wear foundation. My nose, you can still see my glasses marks right there. My eyebrows, I'm okay with. I'm satisfied with that. But yeah, y'all know I'm not a makeup girl. I don't like makeup. I don't wear makeup, but I just do this for you guys because it's fun. So yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell button to be notified, and don't forget to tell a friend so they could tell a friend so they could tell a friend so they could tell another friend so that friend could come back and watch me. And remember, these are all Aliexpress products besides my concealer and my baking powder and this brush, which is my Wet n Wild brush. But yeah, so let me know what you guys think. Finished look, your girl cute or not? But anyways, I'll see you guys next time. Deuces.